Hello everyone! Today we are making something different for brunch. I have made banana pancakes before, but this time I'm adding dry raisins for a new flavor. After rinsing the banana and avocado, I went ahead and mashed the bananas. Even though they weren't fully rinsed, I still wanted to give it a try. Next, I have 2 small packs of dry raisins that I bought from Walmart. They will add a nice natural sweetness and chewiness to our pancakes. Then I sprinkle in some cinnamon powder for a warm, cozy flavor that pairs perfectly with the banana and raisins. Next, I crack 1 egg to help bind everything together and give the pancake a nice fluffy texture. I melted the butter in the microwave and pour it into the mixture. Next, I pour in brown milling pancake mix that I bought from Walmart. Now mix it all together. Now it's ready! Time to cook the pancakes in a hot pan with some butter. While the pancakes cook, let's warm up the chicken breast patties and green beans I bought from Walmart. Now let's crack some eggs to cook alongside our meal. Next, I add a splash of milk for a creamy texture. Now I add some onion powder to boost the flavor. I cut the sausage into a bowl, add some water, and microwave it for 5 minutes. I add cheese to the egg cooking in the pan. Voila, I am done. Now let's slice the avocado. Arrange everything on the plate and top the pancakes with sugar-free maple syrup. And that's it. Don't forget to check out the link to my books on my affiliate. Bye!